welcome. Today we are going to experience the second level of the practice in series, as I mentioned in my previous one, the level 1, level 2 and level 3. And you will see in each and every routine all kind of practices are combined, so that whenever you practice, your body should get a complete dose. You can say complete combination for body, for breath as well as the mind. So our routine is going to today, as in the first session, I have given some stretching warming up practices. The same kind of practice, but we will do in other form. That is one of the practice is a very good warm up practice, that is a Surya Namaskar sun salutation, which have a different movements, forward bending, backward bending and the hip opening. It helps to open all the joints and give a nice stretch. So instead of doing other joint movements, we are going to follow this. So we are going to start our practice with the stretching practices by the practicing of Surya Namaskar. Take a standing position. So we will be doing 12 different movements. Position number 1, 2, 3, 4 is similar, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in between 5, 6, 7, 8 is different one. But we have to focus. It has many ways to practice. So today we are going to do 2 rounds of the practice, which is without any specific way. That means simply you will going to the movement, coming back to the other position. The next level of the practice where you can combine your breath along with that. That means each position, each practice to be conscious breath should be involved along with that. But today we are going to do the normal. Focus is more our muscle movement. Okay. Join your take position. Where you start one number, when you come back from the 12, you will find you will be there only. Okay. Maybe in the beginning you find little difficulty in some positions, but it's fine. So in the beginning you can keep feet apart. It is a first time we are doing. 1, join your hands. 2, backward bending. 3, forward bending. Hands by the front foot. 4, one leg back, one leg front. Hands by the front foot, look straight. 5, both the legs back, body straight. Leg straight. 6, knees and chest on the ground. 7, backward bending. 8, look your feet, make a pyramid position. 9, one leg back, one leg front, hands by the front foot, look straight. 10, both the legs front, forward bending. 11, backward bending. 12, release. Now we'll do the second round. 1, 2, backward bending. 3, while bending forward, always go from the lower back, like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, knees and chest. 7, backward bending. 8, look your feet, make a pyramid position. 9, one leg back, this time the opposite leg will come front. 10, both the legs front, forward bending. 11, backward bending. 12, release. So these are the 2 rounds we have added today in our practice. Now next will be our asanas. Come on your back. Take a comfortable position for a while. Just have a conscious 5 to 7 breaths. Inhale, exhale. These rounds can be increased with your practice if you want. Now we'll begin the practice with spine twisting. Bend your both the legs. Open your arms in the line of shoulders. Keep your distance in the feet and knees. Turn your both the knees towards left and head towards the right. The pelvic stretch and the lower back. Come back. Now same the other side. Turn both the knees towards right and head towards the left. One time again, turn both the knees left and head towards the right. Come back, other side. Release. Now bring your feet closer. Other variation in the same position. Place right foot on the left knee. Turn both the knees towards left and head towards the right. Come back. Keep your mind focused on a specific region wherever you feel the effect of the practice. Mind should be along with the practice. Now, other side. If you are along with the practice, you can enjoy and you can see the effect is more deeper. If you need help, you can bring your knee down. Release. Now, remain in the same position. Bring your hands with the body and raise your middle part of the body 3 times. We will be raising up and holding 10 seconds. Inhale up, maximum, up to the cervical region. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second round, again raise your body up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now third round, inhale, go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now from here only we are going to the further practice Pavan Muktasana. Initially we have done with one by one leg. This is a complete pose. Bend your both the legs. Bring your knees closer to the chest. Make a finger lock and place it here. In the beginning, if you want, just keep the hands here to give a nice stretch first time here. So like this, inhale, exhale. It will give a complete back stretch. When you are inhaling and bringing knees closer, your lower back is getting stretched. When you exhale, and arms will be stretched and your stretch will be at cervical. So let's do 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now the original practice, finger lock. Let's first do the simple one. If you have a little abdomen and you are feeling little pressure, make your hands inside under the calf and thighs. Then raise your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the way it should be done. Cross, raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, in the beginning our aim is to nice stretch, but the final pose is where you need to touch the chin like this. So, practice according to your body limitations. So, bring your foot down. Now, turn the body. Initially, we have done the other practices. Now, the second round, second position, we are adding more backward bending postures. So, first, fist close under the thighs, under the body, chin on the ground. Raise your right leg straight up. Come back. Raise left leg straight up to pelvic, but not turning sideways, straight. It relieves again a nice effect, helping releasing the stress of the lower back. This practice can be done this way also. Raise right leg and support by the left. Come back. Now the left leg, support by the right. Release. Just relax a while. Now, cobra pose, backward bending. Place both the hands side of the chest. There are two practices. Cobra practice when we are doing Bhujangasana, raising up to the navel. But when we say snake pose, Sarpasana, then we raise up to the pelvic region. So we will do 3 times. 2 times we will go every time from cobra to snake. And 3rd time just simply straight. Hold 10 seconds. So, place both the hands side of the chest. Legs together. Slowly raise your head, forehead, nose, chin, neck, shoulders, chest, up to navel. Just like this. Then go to Sarpasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Second round, slowly raise forehead, nose, chin, neck, shoulders, chest up to navel. Elbows remain with the body. Then go to Sarpasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now legs open. Open your legs and we will go into Sarpasana straightway. Slowly raise upper body up to the pelvic region. You can keep the legs together or you can apart. Release. Now slowly get up. Take a sitting position and remain in Vajrasana only, the same way the way you are now, and with open knees maximum. Uttan Mandukasana, frog pose. Cross the arms behind the head. We have done previous practice Parvatasana. Now we are doing the Uttan Mandu same manner, where we are taking care of each and every joint as well as the upper body. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Then we will be doing Yoga Mudra. Sit in Vajrasana in the same position and make your fist close and side of the navel region. Exhale and bend forward. If you can't touch, just stay in the air like this. Otherwise, you bring your forehead to the ground. Slowly release the position. If you find a lot of pressure, you can keep your knees apart little. Release. Now straight your legs. We will be doing twisting down. Bend your right leg. Cross. Keep it with the left knee. Right hand at the back. Cross the left arm around the right knee. Hold the left leg and twist the body right. Come back. Head front, front hand, back hand, then other leg. Bend your left leg, cross, keep with the left knee, cross the left hand, right hand and twist. Release. Now, we will be doing two postures in standing. Take a standing position. So, we follow the sequence of back, front, sitting and standing, and the last part is always with the breathing, meditation and pranayama. So, we will be doing balance pose, Vrikshasana, tree pose. Place your right foot along with the left thigh. Join your hands, center of the body. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. Same the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. Same practice in another manner. Like keeping the foot up on the thigh and raising both the arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. Now other side. Placing up on the thigh at the pelvic region. Then raise both the hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. So after that, sideward bending chakrasana, feet together. Raise your right hand up to shoulder, turn the hand, raise up, stretch your hand up and bend your body left. Just see the body should not go forward or backward, just sideward. Come back, bring hand back, turn and release. Now the left hand, turn, raise, stretch and bend. Just stretch at experience the stretch at the waistline. This is one of the individual practice which helps you reduce the fat of your waistline. Very effective. Come back, bring back, turn and down. Now we'll do Trikonasana. Open your arms in the line of shoulders, turn by the right hand, bend forward, touch your right hand to the left foot up. Come back. Now same the other side. Come back. Now take a sitting position. Padma, this cross leg or Vajrasana, whatever is comfortable. You can use the pillow, you can sit with the wall to take a support. So because this part, this physical body position is very much required, we are now going to focus at the breath. So we are going to now practice another one pranayam. We are combining the right and left nostril combination. Is called Anulom Vilom Pranayam, which is going to helping you to calm and quiet your nervous system, purifies the nadi, channelize your energy, and which will help you to release the stress. So we are combining one time inhale by left, exhale by right. Then inhale by right, exhale by left. This is called one round. Let's continue this practice for 3 minutes. So use the right hand. Use thumb and ring finger of the right hand for closing the nostrils. Let's perform one round with me. So start inhalation by the left. Exhale by the right. Now inhale by the right. Exhale by the left. Now continue with my instructions. Same manner. Inhale by the left. Exhale by the right. Now inhale by the right, exhale by the left. Now Now inhale by the left, exhale by the right. Now inhale by the right, exhale by the left. Again inhale by the left, exhale by the right. Inhale by the right, exhale by the left. Slowly, don't suck the air, don't suck the air. Slowly fill by the nostrils to your lungs. Now inhale by the left, exhale by the right. Now inhale by the right and exhale by the left. After completion from the left, just bring your hand down. We will be ending the session with 5 times Om chanting. Again, the sound has a great impact on our mind. We are taking the help of all those components, all those practices which can help us for the physically and the mentally. Basically, we have to keep ourselves healthy. So let's take little help of this vibration sound which is helping you to make you sit calm and quiet. So inhale. 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 Join your hands. Generally after the practice you can sit as long you feel like to. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you. We'll end the session.